to say I'm sorry. Awesome video, I promise. Stay tuned. Hey, what is up guys? I'm Original Dobo and welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. If you're new here or you've been around my channel but haven't yet subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button. It's somewhere down here, and if you don't want notifications, just make sure you uncheck that. Anyways, I'm not at CES, I'm home, but I wish I was at CES, and some really cool stuff was just announced today. I was scrolling through Twitter and I stumbled across this from Autel. So this is Autel's announcement for their brand new drone, and oh, they actually responded to me. So this is pretty cool. As I'm filming this, Autel just literally responded to me. I asked them about specifications on this. So this is what it is. So we got a 4K camera, 60 FPS, 7 kilometers. That's 4.3 miles for you that can't do the math on that, on the range. A built-in 3.3-inch OLED screen on the controller, front and rear sensors, and downward IR sensors for computer vision and obstacle avoidance technology. More details will be coming out at CES 2018. Continue, stay tuned. So that's really, really awesome specs. So basically you have all those amazing specs in the size of something that basically is no bigger than the Mavic. It actually looked a little bit smaller than the Mavic, but the wings fold in. It's got a really awesome like orange shell to it, sort of glossy, really, really nice. And I like the new Autel logo on the front of it. That looks cool. It looks like it's made out of some sort of carbon, plastic, Kevlar material. It's really hard to tell. There's a lot of unknowns with this drone. But I really hope that this drone actually ships. They did put a video out about this drone, and I'll go ahead and play some samples here and there as we talk about the drone. I'm really hoping that this has a 1-inch sensor. That would be super, super ideal for a lot of different reasons. One, you're gonna get better low light performance. Overall, a better capture of your image. And not only that, their last drone had a modular design, which was basically useless other than if you wrecked it, you could replace that, that camera. I really hope that this camera is modular and is upgradable. That would be so, so awesome. But again, it's really hard to even tell if this is a 3-axis gimbal or a 2-axis. I want to say it's a 3-axis gimbal. I'll let you take a look at the video and see it, but it looks amazing. So there you go. So those are the specs. We have 4K 60 FPS, 7 kilometer range, built-in 3.3-inch OLED screen on the controller, front, rear, and downward facing IR sensors, basically packaged like a Mavic, but way better, and looks absolutely stunning and amazing. And in the drone market, you either get a Spark or you get a Mavic if you want to travel. The GoPro Karma is no more. It's gone. It's dead. And GoPro is now out of the drone game. So I'm really, really looking forward to this shipping. I hope it does ship. I really do, because the last teaser was last year, 1 year ago, and their last drone was the X-Star Premium, which I had, which is 2 years old now. Which, the way I look at the X-Star Premium, it was like a Phantom 4 and a Phantom 3 decided they were going to get drunk and have a one-night stand, and then you got the Autel X-Star Premium. I mean, that's sort of the design of it, but this doesn't look like a Mavic. I mean, it's the size of a Mavic. You can argue that it looks like a Mavic, but I don't think it does. I think this looks pretty awesome. And the fact that, something I didn't mention, that it doesn't just stop with obstacle avoidance. It literally can avoid the obstacle, sort of like Unique's avoidance system works with Intel. This can actually intelligently maneuver itself out of the way. How well this is going to work is going to remain to be seen, but really super excited. So stay tuned. As I get more information about this drone, I'll go ahead and tweet it out. I'm going to really try to pressure Autel to give me some more info. It sucks not being there because you can't ask everybody at the booth, you know, all those pressing questions, but I'm sure there'll be other videos about this. I'm just really super excited for a small drone like this. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you loved it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future videos just like this. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you next time.